Welcome to Milford Sound, the northernmost of the 14 fjords on the fjord coastline. Here at Dale Point, directly ahead of us, the very narrow entrance, some 600 yards in width. And we just passed by the Dale Point and into the fjord, which is very, very narrow, for some 14 miles of land. Notice the difference of the landscape ahead of us, very vertical, steep-sided, totally different from those southern fjords that we visited this morning. Milford Sound is one of the short fjords, very majestic and one of the scenic wonders of the world. There are 3 steep canyons or valleys that meet at the head of this deeply cut fjord. The narrow entrance here at Dale Point is only 600 yards wide, and as such was missed by some of the early sailors to the area, and was discovered after many of the other fjords of the Auckland National Park. Milford Sound was named by the famous sealing captain John Bruno in 1820, after Milford Haven in Wales in the United Kingdom. Captain Bruno also named a number of other fjord and sounds. The old Maori name for Milford Sound was Pio Pio Tahi, Pio Pio being the now extinct native thrush, which was so plentiful in this area a long time ago. As we leave the Tasman Sea and just passing by Dale Point here on the port side, the water under the keel is relatively shallow, but only for a short distance, and it drops away into very deep water to well over 1,000 feet, 300 metres. For the great glacier that carved out this fjord, and the glaciers that carved out the other 13 fjords of Fjordland, and also the great internal lakes of Fjord, but particularly the fields, left a sill here at the entrance point, where it dropped all the debris from the snout, or the front of the glacier. Notice a small boat in the distance, a small local tour boat, and it's against a wee rocky point there. And that's a good signal that there are some southern fur seals on the point of land. So we may get a glimpse of those as we pass by in a few moments' time. Beyond that small boat that we can see in the distance is the first major waterfall here at Milford Sound. There are several, but there are 2 main waterfalls. One of them is the Stirling Falls, which is the one we can just see beyond that boat. It comes from a hanging